India's railway network boasts some of the most stunning, historic architecture in the world. Look at the intricate Gothic-style architecture of this terminal. It was built for a different era. But the daily reality for millions of commuters looks a lot like this. Aging platforms are struggling to safely handle the massive density of modern crowds, packed tightly between these older trains. To solve this growing crisis, the Government of India, through the Ministry of Railways, launched a national mission called the Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. To understand the scale of this initiative, look at this interconnected map of the country's transit lines. The plan requires phase-wise upgrades across every railway zone, specifically targeting exactly 1,309 individual stations for modernization. This means moving past simple cosmetic repairs. The goal is a systemic, nationwide infrastructure overhaul to improve how millions of citizens physically transit every single day. The entire process begins with Step 1, Master Plan Formulation. Before any physical work begins, teams of architects and urban planners draft a long-term vision for each individual station's specific needs. This generates a strict bureaucratic requirement. Nothing moves forward without a formally approved station master plan document. During this conceptual phase, planners plot out expansive new spatial upgrades, mapping out areas for executive waiting lounges and wide open roof plazas. Once approved, we reach Step 2. The process shifts into a highly secure online tendering system known as IREPS. Through this portal, the ministry releases online e-tenders for all the necessary construction, electrical work, and commercial upgrades. It is important to note the cost structure here. The official fee for participating in this process is zero. Station redevelopment planning, vendor allocations, and project execution are handled entirely by the Ministry of Railways, at no cost to the public. Because of the vast amounts of money involved in construction, fraudulent procurement calls do occasionally appear online. All station redevelopment tenders should be verified exclusively on the official IREPS digital portal. By combining rigorous centralized master planning with highly secure digital tendering, the project remains transparent and structurally safe long before a single brick is laid. That brings us to Step 3, phase-wise execution. Here, impaneled construction partners step onto the site and begin the physical work of upgrading the tracks and laying new structures. These new structures actively integrate eco-friendly green energy initiatives right into the station architecture. Planners also conduct a total physical overhaul of the entry and exit points, specifically designed to widen choke points and improve passenger flow. All of this execution happens in specific phases. It has to. Staggering the construction is the only way to upgrade an active transit backbone without shutting down the nation's daily commuter lines. The final result is evident in the architecture. Look at the sleek glass facades, modern support columns, and the wide, clean layout of the modernized platforms. Inside, the facilities align with modern expectations, introducing essential amenities like clean drinking water stations and high-speed Wi-Fi access. Integrated into these modernized stations is a commercial initiative called One Station, One Product. This program carves out dedicated retail stalls inside the modernized stations to promote and sell goods directly from local small businesses. This creates a new economic link for regional artisans and traditional weavers. A stall inside a major transit hub instantly connects their highly specialized goods to tens of thousands of new daily customers. Outside, the upgraded station perimeter uses multimodal transport linkages to seamlessly connect the railway directly to local bus and metro systems. By expanding amenities, linking city transit, and providing dedicated retail space to local creators, the Amrit Bharat Station Scheme turns a crowded waiting area into a highly modernized, eco-friendly economic hub.